Hello, today we'll be doing a laptop screen replacement on this gateway, and I'll show you how to do it. You notice this is all broken here, so let's get down to the physics. While you're looking at the screen, you'll see there'll be a rubber piece here. Turn this off. You can see there's this rubber pad here, there, and there. Take these off and gently pry it against the screen. This is already broken, and try not to break any of these. So you're going to have to be able to make sure you get it off these hinges without breaking it as well. I'll show you what to do next afterwards. Basically what you're going to start doing is you're going to take a small screwdriver. It's going to be small. I mean a small screwdriver like this here, like an eyeglass kit. And you're going to pop this up and you're going to work your way around it. Now I use the adhesive from this side up on both sides, and once you get up to here, you can continually popping and make sure you don't. This would be a weak spot here at your camera, and you just work your way all the way around until you get down to the bottom. And there's going to be a layer of adhesive across this area here, like a tape, and make sure you be able to get that as well. I'm not pulling too much force on this, but I'm being forceful enough that I could pull it off. Now, next, what you need to do is take this screw off here, take that screw off there, and we're going to look and see, because what we're going to do, we're going to take this back cover off, this part here, and make it fold down. So all we have left to do is take this screw here and that screw off. So whatever is holding the case onto that screen here is what we need to take off. So for now, take these two screws off and we'll get to the next part. What I ended up having to do is take all these screws off at the bottom of these hinges here, and you'll notice that this here will be loose. And you just take and lay that flat. Careful not to pinch any wires. And magnet needs to go back up here. There's a magnet here. And there's two things here. You got your inverter cable down here. That's for your light. And you got this cable here. And you have to be very careful about taking this apart. Now, all you need to do is just peel this masking tape back enough that you can get to the connector. This is a two-hand operation here. I'm going to try it with one. Be careful not to do anything to your connector. And you should be able to just take and pull down very gently, and it comes out. Now, your main ribbon cable is disconnected from your screen. And you want to make sure this lays flat so the stickiness doesn't get on anything else. And then all you have to do is pull your inverter light here. Make sure he gets put back in this little area. Next step, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on either side. Take these off. You can toss your old screen back on. Slide the new screen on. Attach 2 screws at least on either side. And then continue putting your screws on. Then connect your cables there. And connect your inverter light cable for your display lights. And flip it up. And installation is reverse of the removal. Good luck. I will post a video of the screen working afterwards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Show you the new screen's working. We have gateway. That's cool. So, that's my tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Subscribe, leave me a comment. And thanks for watching.